Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video you need to learn virtual machine right now. And so the purpose of virtual machine so you can easily run any kind of OS in the virtual machine without installing it on your desktop or system. So I'm going to open my browser and going to search on virtual machine. And you need to open this website. So you need to click on the download button, and depending on the OS you are using, either you're using Windows, you can click on the Windows button, or if you are using Mac you need to click on Mac version, and if you are using Linux distribution you can click on the Linux distribution so that you can try Windows on the Linux machine. I have already downloaded it to save your time, so I'm going to open it. Click on next and click on next again and click on yes and again yes and install. So this is going to take some time depending on the system. And finish. And you also need to download and OS as well. If you like Ubuntu you can download Ubuntu version or Linux Debian or Arch Linux, which version you like you can download it. I have downloaded my version, which is Linux Mint. So I am going to teach you how to install the Linux Mint version. First of all you need to click on it, either if you like Ubuntu version or Debian or Arch Linux, you can install it. So I'm going to install Linux Mint. So click on your download button. Scroll down a little bit and click on this. I have already downloaded it. So you need to open your virtual machine and click on new and name your machine but whatever you want to name it. So I am going to name it robots robotics Sam, and you need to click on the ISO image, whichever version you have downloaded, either Ubuntu, Debian or Arch Linux. You can select it, and you need to click on this and find where you have downloaded your OS version. I have downloaded my Linux Mint version, so I'm going to click on it and going to open it and click on next. And this is your username and your password. You can easily modify it. So click on next, and this is the memory for virtual machine you are using. So if you are using system which is very old, depending on these new generations, so you need to click on it. I am going to create like 4 MBs because I have enough memory for it. Click on next and create a visual disk. Yes, next. You need at least 25 GB hard disk free to install it. So click on next and you finish. Yes, and your virtual machine is ready, and it is going to open. It is powering right now. And it is running. And click on enter, and your virtual machine is now booting. You need to boot it. So it is going to take some time to load. Yes, it is now loaded, and it is same like Windows, just roots are different. I am going to teach you how to install it. It is just like it also has a browser in it and an connection connected to it. You can easily search anything on it if you want to. It is also has terminal, which is the main benefit of using Linux. So this is it right now. For I have already teach you how to install virtual machine and the OS version you want to install on your virtual machine. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to use Linux on your virtual machine. So this is it right now.